Ever dreamt of that blissful moment when tax season rolls around and your finances resemble a well-organized filing cabinet? Yeah, us neither. But for accountants, that dream, or at least a semblance of it, might just lie in a software called QuickBooks. Now, you, as a small business owner, freelancer, or just someone who wants to wrangle their finances, might be wondering, is QuickBooks the holy grail of accounting software? And more importantly, do the number-crunching wizards themselves, the accountants, actually prefer it? Let's dive into the world of debits and credits, invoices and estimates, to see if QuickBooks truly reigns supreme. Why does accountant preference matter? Before we dissect the preferences of accounting professionals, let's address the elephant in the room. Why should their preference even matter to you? Think about it this way. When you choose a mechanic for your car, wouldn't you trust someone familiar with the most common tools and software used in the industry? Similarly, an accountant comfortable with QuickBooks can navigate your finances with more efficiency and potentially save you time and money. Here's the breakdown. Familiarity. Most accounting programs offer basic functionalities like creating invoices and tracking expenses, but QuickBooks holds a dominant market share in the accounting software realm. This means there's a high chance your chosen accountant is already well-versed in its intricacies. Integration. QuickBooks integrates seamlessly with various other financial applications, streamlining data transfer and reducing manual entry errors. An accountant familiar with these integrations can work their magic on your finances even faster. Features. While not the only option, QuickBooks boasts a robust suite of features catering to various business needs, from inventory management for e-commerce businesses to payroll processing for those with employees. An accountant comfortable with these features can provide a more comprehensive financial picture. Do accountants love QuickBooks? So, do accountants actually sing the praises of QuickBooks? The answer, like most things in life, isn't a simple yes or no. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons that might influence an accountant's preference. Pros. User-friendly interface. Compared to some of its competitors, QuickBooks offers a relatively intuitive interface, making it easier for accountants to onboard new clients quickly. Scalability. QuickBooks offers various tiers catering to businesses of all sizes, from solopreneurs to larger companies. This allows accountants to recommend a solution that fits their clients' specific needs. Cloud-based access. Gone are the days of lugging around data files. QuickBooks allows for secure, cloud-based access, enabling real-time collaboration between accountants and clients. Automation. Features like automatic bill pay and expense categorization can save accountants a significant amount of time, freeing them up for more strategic financial planning. Cons. Learning curve. While generally considered user-friendly, QuickBooks still has a learning curve, especially for those unfamiliar with accounting principles. Cost. Depending on the chosen tier, QuickBooks can be a bit on the pricier side compared to some bare-bones accounting software options. Customization limitations. While offering a good range of features, QuickBooks might lack the level of customization some accountants prefer for specific client needs. Here's the truth bomb. There's no single best accounting software. The one your accountant prefers depends on a variety of factors, including their familiarity with different options, your specific business needs, and even your budget. So, what does this all mean for you, the non-accountant viewer desperately seeking financial peace? Here are some key takeaways. Communicate your needs. Talk openly with your accountant about your business goals and desired functionalities in an accounting software. Explore options. Don't be afraid to ask your accountant about their experience with different options besides QuickBooks. Consider a trial. Many accounting software providers offer free trials. Explore your options and see which interface works best for you alongside your accountant. Ultimately, the best accounting software is the one that empowers you and your accountant to work together seamlessly, leading you closer to that financial bliss haven we all dream of. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.